Hey everybody, just thought I'd make a quick little video here to show you the kind of snack foods that are available in Mexico. Now this is something you're not going to get in most parts of North America, but here in Mexico, they consider this to be a bit of a delicacy. Now, I've got things prepared here that are essential to the process. First of all, you're going to need me some of this, Modelo Negra. This is a wonderful beer. The Negra is a sort of a dark but light beer. Enjoy that a lot. So I'm going to pop that open because that's essential to the process. We got that ready to go. And now we're going to have us some of these. Now these are called Chapulines. And yes, they are bugs. I don't know what kind of bugs these are exactly, but they're crispy, crunchy critters, to say the least. Now, full disclosure, I did actually try one of them earlier. It was not bad. It was a little salty, I have to admit. But these are a snack food. They actually roast these and sell these. I'll include a picture here of the bucket where I bought these from. I'm going to go ahead and try these chapulines. They're some sort of a cricket or a grub. I'm not sure which. I do know you have to avoid the legs because it's like eating sticks. But anyway, here goes. So this is chapulines. First reaction. They are salty. Kind of a bit of an oily consistency, I guess. They're not much different than popcorn, really. Let's try a few more here. Oh, that one got away from me. So they're nicely roasted. There's not much moisture in them except for some oil. But yeah, they're not bad as a snack food, actually. I'm not saying it's a substitute to French fries or chips or something, but it's not bad. Now, as with all salty food, that's where this comes in very nicely. Oh, that's really good stuff. Anyhow, I'm going to continue snacking on these. It's lunchtime anyway, so I'm going to have a few of these little guys here. Well, that guy's barely hanging on there. Anyhow, have a great day, guys, and we look forward to seeing you really soon. And if you guys drop down to Mexico to see us, maybe we can go to some place where we can get some chapulines to enjoy. Have a good one. Hey, do I have bugs in my teeth?